my friends, and roll out.
Come here, Young. Come here. Just go. It's just battery. No.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, jump. Agoy!
What's the combo? Say cheese. One more, Kuya Yang. 1, 2, 3, jump. Yeah. Yeah. What? You want something? Woo! Hey!
stage 50, everybody. This is Hollywood's only 2-level soundstage. Once again, everybody, hold on. It's just a little tremor. We get them all the time in California. Okay, this might be the big one. Brace yourselves.
Was that scary, Yang? Was that? No, right?
I guess we got ourselves a real paradox now.
Oh no,
This
baby!
beer is on fire.
Oh, it's hot, baby! Burning!
Yang, come closer here, Yang. Come closer here, look, so you can see. Look, what's that? Yang, look, Yang, look.
Oh no, David! Oh no, David!
They bad. No, don't do that, they bad.
Hardest working
Were you
shark
scared,
in
Yang?
Hollywood.
No, right?
Our shark is working. You also don't have to worry about any other weather. Uh-oh. Got a flash flood on our hands. Everybody brace yourselves. Hold on. I apologize. I forgot to warn you all. If you're sitting in a blue seat today, you will get wet. Yes, they're all
Yang,
blue.
you will get wet, Yang.
It's not
You're
true.
sitting
My
in the blue seat.
Our seats are black.
You wanna switch?
Now that stunt sequence, the Flintstones featuring Academy Award winner Halle Berry. We've got the Fast and Furious franchise. If you're a fan of Fast and Furious, plan to come back later this summer for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. Now I'm a little concerned because this parking lot.
One, two, three, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Two, three. Again.
어, 친구한테 가보다 이거 초콜릿 사.